This is Group 1's presentation of definition of healthcare data analysis. And Group 1 consists of Isabella Valderez, me, Deborah Benson, Samaria Blanco, Heriberto de la Fuente, and Charles Bonner. Now, what is health data analytics? And it involves the extrapolation of actionable insights from sets of patient data, and it is also referred to as clinical data analytics. And patients, providers, insurance companies, policymakers, and employers all benefit from the use of this type of analytic. And at the bottom here are 3 pictures that beautifully summarize what health data analytics is. And it's basically raw data that calculates and transforms into visual aids.